Hello folks, well if you saw the servicing to this, or the repairs to this, which is quite a lot involved, it had been illegally modified to 80 channels, and of course that not only is it illegal, it's it compromises performance dramatically. There's also no transmit, which we showed on the previous video, and then we did an on-the-air test, which we didn't publish because I failed the on-the-air test because it took 8 seconds for the radio to go back into receive, having been in transmit. Now we didn't notice that on the test set. Quick burst 1 2 3, that was all right, but when you were actually saying something, it was taking 8 seconds to go back, and eventually I tracked it down, and a previous person has changed some capacitors in this, and one of the ones they'd got wrong, they put 47 microfarads in, it should have been 0.47, and that's what it was. It took a couple of hours to find, because you're just not expecting things like that to happen, tracing through the circuit and all that. Anyway, we're there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger, let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm plugged in.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger dodger. Still on the wrong camcorder. I've got not enough tripods is I think the biggest problem. We've got a stereo.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger and that, on this radio we don't have a tone control.
Roger.
So we've got a Stereo Master, HMV Stereo Master 2411 on the go. We've got a transistor radio on the go. Tomorrow we've got a road trip to Liverpool to pick up a Marconi phone radiogram. You know, so there's a lot of stuff kind of in the can.
Coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Yeah, I was going to afford to close early to those prices.
We're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger and I got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. No square wheels for you today.
No, nearly, but not quite. Towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear. Going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear. Going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Realistic TRC 2001 from 1982. And it uses the Uniden chassis, so it's a bit like a Uniden 100. And it's doing full forward output. I'm on a standard replacement bike, over.
Yep, roger that, well received, no problems.
Roger.
We're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Realistic TRC 2001 from 1982 using the Uniden chassis. So it's doing 1.04 amps for a full watt output. I'm on a standard replacement mic. We're going to go to low power and it's been set to 0.4 watts. Here we go, 54321. There we are on low power. Radius now drawing 380 milliamps and delivering 400 milliwatts. Let's go back to full power. There we are back on full power, over.
Roger that, no problem on full power. A little bit noisier on low power, but still fully legible.
Not bad, okay. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, diddly, dodger.
Right, we're square wheeled for the level crossing.
Forward with a secret steel train.
Roger. No, it's just a passenger train.
2 units.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger. Rossby level crossing.
Yeah, 140.9 and 165.7.
Right, is that the same?
Yeah, it's the same apart from the 0.7 instead of 0.9, but I don't think it actually is 0.7. I think there's a fault in the sign that makes it look 0.7.
Yeah, they used to be before, then they fixed it, then it's back to the same. Right, thank you very much for that. 10-10.
Roger, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over
Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going across Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for us today, please, over?
Yeah, 140.9 and 165.7.
Right, is that the same?
Yeah, it's the same apart from the 0.7 instead of 0.9, but I don't think actually it's 0.7. I think there's a fault on the sign that makes it look 0.7.
Yeah, they used to be before, then they fixed it, then it's back to the same. Right, thank you very much for that. 10-10.
Roger, 10-10.
Right, that works absolutely great. So we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the RealisticTRC2001 with a standard replacement mic into our Midland 76500 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to pop it on low power as a hum test. There we are on low power, doing 400 milliwatts. If there was a hum, it would diminish on low power. Back to full power, and there we are. Tomorrow, I think we're on a road trip to Liverpool tomorrow, but the next